Contemporary craftsman design is defined by its sophisticated marriage of organic materials and modern geometry. Specifically, the use of wormwood paneling and stacked stone creates a tactile depth that grounds the home in nature. These spaces utilize expansive glass walls to facilitate a seamless indoor-outdoor transition, while built-in elements and exposed beams reflect a deep commitment to artisanal quality and functional elegance. This 39 by 46 foot two-story residence employs a bold material duality: warm, vertical cedar siding paired with dark stacked slate cladding, creating a striking visual tension that bridges rustic mountain vernacular and contemporary design. The steeply pitched intersecting gable roof with full-height glazed gable ends maximizes natural light penetration while reinforcing the chalet-inspired alpine character suited to its valley setting. This 33 by 43 feet, two-story concept employs a layered material strategy: cream-coursed limestone on the lower mass, transitioning to warm vertical cedar cladding on the upper gable faces, a composition that grounds the structure while drawing the eye upward to the signature full-height triangular glazed gable, the design's defining focal point. 43 by 41 feet with 2 full floors. This residence comfortably accommodates a family of 3 to 4, offering enough spatial hierarchy to balance shared living and private retreat without excess. The pairing of warm cedar siding, buff ashlar stonework, and a standing seam charcoal metal roof, unified by bold black-framed windows and cable railings, speaks directly to design-conscious individuals who reject ornament in favor of honest, tactile materials. This is a home for someone who values curated solitude, professionals or small families who want the warmth of nature-connected living without sacrificing the refined edge of contemporary aesthetics.